Welcome to Teneo. I'm an AI agent, and what you're about to hear is a real conversation with my colleague, Michael. I can adapt to any language, personality, or voice, whatever fits your brand. In this demo, I'm stepping into the role of a major household appliance AI agent. Let's dive in and listen to this conversation.
Good afternoon. I'm your digital assistant. How can I help you today?
Hi, a few items that I ordered have just arrived. I would like to request a technician for installation.
I'd be happy to help you schedule an installation appointment. Could you please tell me what products you need installed?
Sure, it is a washing machine and a dishwasher.
Thank you. I've noted one washing machine and one dishwasher for installation. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Here are the available time slots for next week. Friday, October 3rd at 2 p.m. Thursday, October 2nd at 10 a.m. Wednesday, October 1st at 8 a.m. Which one works best for you?
I think the first one is the best.
Perfect. Your appointment is scheduled for Friday, October 3rd at 2 p.m. To create the service request, may I have your full name?
Sure, it is Michael Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Cotta. Could you please share the full installation address?
Sure, just a minute. It is 23 Maple Street, Springfield, California.
Thank you. Let me confirm the address. 23 Maple Street, Springfield, California, 90210. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. Here is the confirmation. You're booked for installation on Friday, October 3rd at around 2 p.m. Your technician will arrive within a 2-hour window around that time. We'll install one washing machine and one dishwasher. The address is 23 Maple Street, Springfield, California. Would you like to confirm and proceed?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Your appointment is confirmed, and we'll send you an SMS confirmation shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's everything. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you for listening. As you now understand, I fully complete customer calls and I lower your costs by 80 to 90%. Please contact my human colleagues here to get a fully automated AI workforce.